is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. Imagine juicy, crunchy wings with a sweet and salty honey soy sauce. So juicy and soyie, it'll make your taste sweety saltiness. Well, what the cluck is going on with this sauce? At least they included ranch dressing this time. Beet chuck and bean juice may sound like a hipster retro drawer, but together it makes a well-deserved match. And no endy, wingy, crunchy thingies makes Chris sad. For $9.95 they should have at least made it vegan. Then I could become socially invisible and wear glasses and grow a beard. While you're here, finger me button and play with me bell. Thanks. Disperse some protein spheres into an organically made non-animal suffering substance container. Add some mood juice and dandruff and create a manifestation vortex in a bowl with some paprika for your wet. Plain flour and panko breadcrumbs for your dry. Put the top on and shake. Shallow fry in a wok at 180 degrees. I'm using veggie oil. You can use pre-made honey soy, or I bet you can't guess what the ingredients are. Just make sure you add garlic salt to it. Works really well with garlic sauce, or ranch dressing, or whatever you want really. I don't care. And it still get me crunchy endy thingies. Not bad for 380. This has been See you next Thursday.